In this video, let's take a look at how to set up a dedicated member login and account page on your site. So of course we could use the navigation item that we've created here that fires the pop-up, but what if we wanted a page on the site that users can use to log in rather than a button? Well, we can create a button or a text link, anything like that, and just point it to a page on the site. And right here I have a page called Login. So if I jump to the builder, you'll see I have a page. It's called Login. And on that page, we have the same member space widget. And for the widget mode, we simply set login and account embed and use the subdomain that we've used the entire time. Now let me delete this out for a second and show you when I drag this widget out, right there, you'll see that it's quite small. And if I'm going to set this to account embed, and then let's add our subdomain, you'll see right away we get the login form, but it's being cut off. So what you need to do is make sure to grab those boundary handles and scale this up to a bigger size. And we can move it around the page a little bit, but that looks pretty good. And let's go ahead and republish the site. So now once the site is republished, we can just navigate to the page that we've placed that embed on. It's the login page. And there you go. We can go ahead and let's log in as our demo user. Okay, so now that I've logged in as my demo user, you can see that this page actually acts as our accounts page as well. So from there, our user can go in and change their plans, they can edit their profile, change their email information, and all of that sort of thing. So this is kind of a 2-for-1 widget, and I suggest you have this on your site because users will indeed want to control these options. And just a quick reminder, you will always need to have still that core functionality widget somewhere on the site. This alone will not act as that widget. You can also build out the accounts page to have anything you want below, perhaps a contact form or some FAQ. It's completely up to you and you have full design freedom here. And of course, if we wanted to create a text link that pointed to this page, perhaps in the footer, we can go to any of our navigation items in the footer. Let's just add an item here and let's link it to the existing page, login. And there you go. There's a login button. Let's republish that. Okay, let's navigate to our site. Within the footer, we have the login button. And when I click that, we are brought to our login page. Now I'm still logged in. That's why I'm seeing my account information, but it's very simple to set up and use. And that's it. Pretty easy. In our next video, let's talk about how to add and manage members of your site when using the member space widget.